So what do you do after antibiotic treatment? I get asked this a lot. Do you go straight to probiotics? Well, that depends. If you had an infection and you took a high dose of antibiotics, then yeah, a good potent probiotic might be good to add to get the microbiome in balance. However, if you took antimicrobials and antibiotics for SIBO, you need to be a lot more cautious about adding in probiotics because it could cause a relapse and a flare, because SIBO is an overgrowth of bacteria in the small intestine. So we don't want to re-inoculate that area. So in those cases, I often slowly add prebiotics, which actually are food for the healthy gut flora in the large intestine. But we don't want to be adding probiotics into the system after SIBO. However, for a run-of-the-mill infection to prevent candida and fungal overgrowth, it might be very useful to add some probiotics, especially if it was more of a lower colon imbalance or infection. However, prebiotics are what's really going to help the colony thrive.